This is our serious problem, number one. Wallahi, serious problem. I have been to so many institutions in India and abroad. We think that fulfilling the prerequisites, learning qaida, learning tajweed, or learning Arabic grammar, we taught the Quran. Arabic grammar, forget about it. We are just satisfied with the qaida only. We say we taught the Quran. Sir, you did not. Like a crazy person who teaches only up to 12th grade and he says, I'm producing doctors. Yes, sir, the medicine starts after 12th grade. It doesn't stop, there. Or, medical college begins after 12th. Yes, Quran can produce amazing results. But you have to start teaching it the real teaching of the Quran.